that's fine. Okay, let's do this here. Court is back in session in cause number 332-250, case of Solid State of Texas versus Alex Michael Lockman. And Mr. Lockman previously pled guilty to the offense of theft. Mr. Lockman was sworn in. Mr. Lockman's attorney, Mr. Giles Cole, waived a record, and Mr. Lockman acknowledged State's Exhibit 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment, and the trial court certification, the defendant's right of appeal, and the discovery certification. The state, Mr. Lockman, let's see, the court found that Mr. Lockman was competent to stand trial. The court also found that his pleas and waiver was freely and voluntarily given. The court also found that there was sufficient evidence to find him guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And the court accepted the defendant's plea of guilty. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor. It's 10 days credit for time served.
Okay. He says 10 days credit for time served.
Well, it's 10 days, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Lockman, the state is offering that you serve 10 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Now, you will be given credit for any time that you are entitled to get by law. The court calls in this case, did he have a, there it is. Mr. Lockman, the court cost in this case is $327. Will you be able to pay the $327?
I will not be able to pay it today.
Okay. Now, Mr. Lockman, I have before me a document that is titled Affidavit of Indigence. This document has a signature, your signature, and is dated May 12th of 2022. And this document also contains your answers to whether or not you have any monthly income or assets or any monthly expenses. And Mr. Lockman, do you, are these answers still true and correct today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Lockman, based upon your answers in this financial or in this affidavit of indigence, the court will find that you're indigent. And what that means is the court costs in this case of $327 will be waived, which means you won't have to pay it. And that's pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Mr. Lockman, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir, I do.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Mr. Lockman, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Lockman, this will conclude your case. You can knock on the door, follow the bailiff, and you have a blessed day. And Mr.
Thank you.
This also will conclude your cases. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Do the same, Your Honor.